We have a Ford Focus 2013 today for our water leak procedure. So we're just going to show you what we've found so far. So first things first, we're going to come to the driver's rear door membrane. So as normal, we're just going to put a bit of water down the back of the sill, just similar, it's raining. And now if we come on the inside, it should be falling at the bottom of the door, which it is. But as we can see there, it's leaking quite heavily past the door membrane. So that would be one leak there. The other leak is behind the rear bumper, which is the rear air vents. So what I've done is I've put my little twisty camera up in this little section so we can get in where the air vent is. So we'll just show you whereabouts the air vent is. Right, okay, so there's the air vent there. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of water down on this side on the bumper. We can see that this bumper's been popped out. So if we put some water just down in that little edge there, and then what that then should simulate is, if we look very closely there, we can just see it starting to pour in on the top ledge there. So we've got signs of water coming into this section here. Obviously the shiny bits are the water, so that's the driver's side, which is wet as well. Just to quickly show you on this side here, okay. Right, okay, so we've got the rear air vent here. We can see a bit of water on it, but we just simulate the same thing again. So we're just going to put water down on this corner of this bumper. There we go, and we can just see it starting to creep in on the top of the vent there. And we can see that the box section's wet. There we go. So that's both rear air vents which are leaking as well. And just to show you as well, then what happens is obviously where the spare wheel goes is absolutely full of water. We've got the side pockets as well, where you can see the water's been tracing down. We've got a bit of water in the back there, and then it drops below the back seat. And what it then does is it comes underneath this seat here. We can see that obviously that's damp there. We've got a bit of water down in that section there. And then if we then put our whole hand down into this little pocket here, if I balance you here and then get my torch. Right, okay, so we're actually looking down into the underlay now, and we can see in the bottom there, we can see in the bottom there that there's water. It's damp anyway. What I want to try and do is just get that torch in there. Right, okay, so I'm just going to squeeze this. So there we go, so that's soaking wet.